Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. What we doing? Girl, we unboxing a Louis bag. I'm so excited. Hey buddy. I'm doing a video. Hey your boy. She's sweet baby. Okay, hey Brownie, scratch my neck. Okay, Brownie, I love you too, buddy. Okay, let me do my video. Okay, let me just hurry up. So I purchased 2 items. I ain't even gonna tell y'all why I bought it. I just, cause you know, in every video I'm like, okay, I promise I'm not gonna buy nothing else. This is becoming an addiction. It's becoming a bad problem. I don't know. I was just kind of feeling down and out, you know. Just not my normal natural self. And I was like, buy you a Louis, girl. You'll feel better. So that's what I did. Okay. So this is the first item. And of course, I wrote a note to myself. As I always do. I don't know if it's going to be in this one. No, it's not in this one. Okay. But in one of them, I wrote a little note to myself. Alright, so that's just receipts. Oh, look how cute. It's so stinking cute. They just wrap it so pretty. Now the note. Oh. Okay, now the last time, how did I open it the last time? Because I know I messed it up. There we go. Okay, it's just a blank white card. But the last time, it was this little card. I need me a man. Like, I need somebody who's going to take their time to buy me a Louis. Take their time to fill this little card out. You know, so I can feel special. Anywho, what I was saying, though, is the last time they had this little white card in here, I'm pretty sure it did not come in that little Louis tag. I'm pretty sure it didn't. We're going to slide that back in there. Dang, I don't even want to take the bow off. Okay, just catch that drip. Catch the drip of that bow. Like, it's just so stinking cute. And there's the back. Alright, we're going to take it off. I'm going to do it like this. Okay. I'm going to pull the string and break the bow. Pop that out. Alright. Now, dang. Okay, hold on, y'all. I was trying to. Come on up out of here. So I can get to my goods. Alright. Got it. So, let me finish pulling that apart. Whoever tied this, shout out to y'all. Y'all had it together, honey. Okay. This one. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, so this is a SLG. Small leather good. I ain't like, okay. I'm not like in love because I really wanted it in the damier print. Like my Neverfull, but they were sold out. So, and then the other print that I wanted was sold out too. It was like an all black. But anyway, okay. So I don't know what this is called. You'll have to like go on the website to find out. But it's under small leather goods. But basically, I have to stand up. Okay, let me make sure I got y'all in there. Basically, you clip this. You can either clip it like on your purse. I personally would clip this on my pants so that I can have my money on the inside and my cards and driver's license on the back. That way I don't have to worry about carrying around my purse. Wanted one of these so bad while I was in Vegas. And because I usually always carry my Kate Spade one, but I really wanted a Louis Vuitton, so I went ahead and made this purchase And then it has a, oh yeah, so it has a pocket here. I don't know if y'all, girl, y'all know I ain't good at the zoom in, zoom out. But okay, it has a pocket there. This lifts up. And I probably more than likely would put my cash in there. But that's a little pocket. And then you just snap it on whatever you're going to snap it on, girl, and go. Okay. So that's that. Let me put it back. Don't plan on carrying it right now. Alright. I'm just going to throw all of that. Do that receipt fit in there? Nah. Okay. Okay. Alright, that's the end of that. On to this big boy. It is open. Oh. I broke the tab that you going to open the box. I broke it too soon. Okay. I love how they like brand everything. The girl, this is the cardboard box they ship it in, and that's got branding. That is branded. They don't play no game. Okay. My receipt is right on top, but I'm going to see if my note to myself is in this one. Girl, it ain't unless I'm missing it. Okay. That's okay. Maybe it's in the box, girl. Alright. Girl, this is like Christmas. Alright. So here is my box. Super stinking cute. And they got it tied up the same way in that little envelope. Here's the back, just in case y'all wanted to see. And the envelope is set up there the same way. Okay, so I did manage to slide this bow just off the box without having to untie it. Okay, y'all ready? So excited. Okay. I just love. I'm obsessed with the box. I be so obsessed with the box. I love how deep it is. I love the magnetic clamp. Just, you feel luxe. You feel very luxe. All right. So here is my Louis dust bag. And let's get to it, girl. What is in here? What did she get? And this bitch pretty. Okay. Can y'all catch it? Is it getting it? Okay. So let me just say, this is not the bag that I wanted. Oh, let me show y'all the inside though. The bag that I really wanted, it kind of look plastic, but it's this same print. And it's like a little shinier color than this. But I went with this. So this is the Neverfull MM. Is it MM? Girl, I'm starting to lie. Y'all know I get this wrong every time, girl. I just saw it on one of these papers. Yes, this is the Neverfull MM. I got the Neverfull GM in the damier print. Okay, but anywho, so the reason I wanted this bag instead of the one I really wanted, well, the reason I got this one instead of the one I really wanted is because it came with a pouch. The other one was like, I think $3,000 and some change. And it didn't have this pouch. Like, I want my pouch. I want my pouch. Period. Poo. Excuse me. The little wristlet. I wanted it. So it has like a deep plum color. I know on camera that probably looks black. but it's a plum, a deep plum color. And then here is her on the inside. And then the zipper. Okay, and it's just some little tags in that zipper part. But the inside feel good. Whatever material this is, it's like velvet. Girl, it feels so good. It's soft on your skin. It just feels nice. So I've already ordered off Amazon my insert so that the bag will stay its shape. But honey, I love her. I'm in love. I can't wait to get her out. Out and about. Girl. Ooh, and it's just... Okay, so it's the big LVs all around the bag. And then the bottom of the bag is the small LV print, which is super cute. Girl. So when I get my I gotta hold it up because I don't feel like adjusting that camera. When I get my insert to put in here, then I'll do another video of what's in my bag, and I'll switch out from my Neverfull GM. I think it's GM, girl. I'll switch out from my Neverfull GM and move into the smaller bag. I just read what this was. MM? Medium? I think it's MM. I'll switch out into this one and I'll do a video of me doing that. Swapping out into this bag. But her cute. Her is cute. Love it. So excited. And girl, I feel better. That crazy. When they say, what's the word? Girl, my grandma used to say this all the time. Something therapy, retail therapy, whatever. This shit is real. You go do whatever makes you happy. Whatever brings a smile upon your face. And, you know, being financially responsible. Don't go into no debt trying to keep up with the Joneses. But if you ain't feeling yourself, girl, get a candle, read a book, soak in the tub, journal. Girl, I got 1,000. Let me tell y'all. I think I'm looking over here and it's going to look weird because I should be looking in the camera. Girl, I got 1,001 journals. I'm obsessed with journaling. I hope I did not ruin this entire video because I'm not redoing it. Because I've been looking at the other side, girl. I'm like, is her eyes wandering? Like, what's going on? Anywho, girl, what was I about to say? What else was I about to say? I've been having major brain farts lately. I don't know why. But, I can tell y'all a little side story while we here. Okay, let me put this back. I can't wait. Can't wait. I can't wait. That ain't... Nah, I did. Okay, I'm over here trying to clean up my mess. And today trash day, so I can get rid of all those boxes. Look at what the dog did. Look at what the dog did. Just, I wonder why he was quiet, girl. Tore it up. Tore it up. He might well finish it. Ain't nothing I can do. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do something with these strings. I'm gonna do something with these little strings. There. Hateful. It's just hateful. I can't have nothing. Alright, so if y'all ain't never seen any of my videos before, you probably would never know. If you ain't never watched none of my budgeting videos, but I am currently going through a divorce, so that is, girl, traumatic and a lot, but it is what it is. It's life. But during this process, I have been, alright, hush now. I've been having like downs and lows Downs and lows. Lows and highs. Ups and downs. You know, just feeling all sorts of emotions. But I truly had an epiphany a few nights ago. I was watching this YouTube channel, and I'm going to link it below. Her name is Latoya Okeia. Okay. Girl, I'm going to link it so y'all already, you know, connect. Girl, I cannot talk today. I don't know what's going on. Y'all know who I'm talking about. It'll be linked down in the video, in the description box below. But anywho, I was watching her videos, and they were, you know, just giving me encouragement and inspiration. And what's so crazy is the videos that I was watching at the time, I had already watched. But something just told me, like, watch them again. So I did. And I was going to watch, like, I cannot stand when I stutter. Anywho, I was going to, like, watch another video. And something was like, nah, you know, cut it off. And you and God have a conversation. Y'all talk. And I gave myself the biggest pep talk in the world. And I recorded it. Because something just told me, like, you gonna need to play this back. You gonna need to hear yourself encourage yourself record it. All I can tell y'all is my epiphany was, I am the shit. You can tell me nothing. Like, not on no cockiness, not on I'm better than nobody, I'm on a high pedestal or nothing like that. Just, I am a beautiful person inside and out. And for so long, I have been in a toxic and abusive relationship, and I felt less than. No, never again. Girl, you, hello, black beautiful queen, stop playing with yourself. I just want y'all to be encouraged. Just know life will definitely throw you through some hoops. Definitely, 100%. But you will get through it. You will be okay. I also question it too, like, what's my purpose in life? What am I doing here? And God told me living. That's your purpose. I didn't put you in some tough situations, and you persevered through everything. Everything that I placed you through, you've gotten through and remained you. That's your purpose. You're going to be a testament to others. You are a staple. You are going to show other women, other people in general, but definitely women can relate because I am one. You are going to show them that you can get through anything. Anything. I'm telling y'all, I got story after story after story after story. I done been through life. Life has definitely had its way with me. Like, and I still remain the same upbeat, beautiful, outgoing, loving, caring friend, mother, niece. Like, I've still remained me. And that's my purpose in life. So I just want to wrap this video up by saying that, like, that was my epiphany. And that was the same day I bought that Louis, girl. That was the same day I had that epiphany. Because earlier in the day, I was, you know, feeling down now. And I'm like, buy you something to make you feel good. Do that. Do that for yourself. I put everybody before me. My kids, their needs, wants, and desires always come before mine. So I'm learning now that I can't be no good for nobody if I don't put myself first. So I don't know what Brownie over here doing. That's why I bought myself the bag. And then that night, God came to me and was like, Jazz, you're a beautiful somebody, honey. All right, let me wrap this on up. I don't know what Brownie want, girl. Oh, what do you want? What was that? Say bye to the people. Come on. Come on. Come in the video. Come in the video. Say bye-bye, people. Bonnie, Bonnie. Girl, I always want to kiss. Okay, look. Let's say bye-bye, people. All right, y'all. It's been real. Talk to you later.